What is up, YouTube? It's your boy Action Jackson back with another video. Today I will be doing an unboxing video on my new camera, man. I was just at the gym, came back to my camera, man. It was sitting right there. I'm glad somebody ain't steal it because I do live in the hood still. Right now I am filming on a Sony A5000. I think it's A5000, A500, whatever they call it, all that. They done discontinued the shit. It's got me this far though, you know, but it's still terrible camera. I'm glad they took it off the shelves. I will be doing an unboxing video on my new Sony ZV-1 camera. It's over here. Give me my shit. Give me my shit. Boom. Here it is right here. Sony digital camera ZV-1. Now this thing packs a lot of power. I'm gonna drop all the specs on it later on. 4K though. Just came out in 2020, man. Packs a lot of power. Got a new camera for y'all, man. It's for vlogging, you know, just content creation in general. So if y'all see my quality, matter of fact, I'm gonna switch cameras after this video, you feel me, so y'all can see the increased quality. As soon as I'm done unboxing it, man, I'm gonna cut it on, finish the video out with this camera. Telling y'all I pack a lot of power. It was almost $900, I think. Damn! Damn near up there. It was like $800, $850. Feel me? Either way, I pack a lot of power though, man. This is what I went with after a lot of research, a lot of long nights of comparisons and stuff like that. Very good camera, 4K, autofocus, real-time eye autofocus. I'm gonna lay all the specs on y'all down later, man. Make sure you drop hella likes on this video. Subscribe to the channel, man, you feel me? And let's get into this video. All right, here we go. We got the Sony digital camera ZV-1, content creation made simple. As you can see here, it has all the specs on the back of the box. Feel what I'm saying? 4K, 20 megapixels. Damn, if my camera autofocus, see, this is why I'm getting rid of it now. Clear voice recording, microphone jack, face appeal, phase detection, and all that other stuff. You know what I'm saying? That I really didn't research that much. I just know it's a good camera. Alright, y'all really can't see my face, but y'all can hear my voice because of this little ass baby tripod I got. You feel me? But once again, they got a box. Now, it's a black camera on the front of the box, but I ordered a white camera. You feel what I'm saying? So they messed up there. I don't know if they was in a rush. I don't know if they're just trying to get it to me quicker because it was supposed to come on Tuesday. I wasn't really expecting it. That's why I came back from the gym and I was surprised. But I guess they was in a rush or something, bro, because I have a white camera in the paper right here. I'm pulling it out for y'all now. You can see that it's white through here. Came in this little paper right here. And it is a white Sony, you feel what I'm saying? ZV-1. Say ZV-1 right there. Probably can't see it because autofocus, you know. You can flip the screen out, which is another plus for vlogging, you know, for me, for sure. Right here, this has... What the hell that is? It's not coming on. I gotta put the battery in there. It should be in here. Alright, so it comes with this fur at the top. They said this fur, this little furry thing right here, this is like a wind protector. I'm gonna take it off and show y'all. Y'all gotta forgive me for the ghetto unboxing I'm doing. I know y'all probably seen unboxing videos that look way more detailed and came out way better, but now I ain't got the table or the time for that. So I guess it goes over here, because this is like where the internal mic is. The internal mic picks up a lot of sound here. So I'm thinking it just clips on. So you basically have a hot shoe here, like where you'll put your external mic and stuff like that. And I'm not flicking y'all off, I'm just pointing with my middle finger, you know what I'm saying? You'll slide this out, it just slides out, it slides back in, slide it out, feel me? And then this is a hot shoe part right here with the wind diffuser. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna slide that in gently there. Boom, how it clicked. Got the fur on top. That's cute. Little eyebrows and shit on my camera. Alright. Gave my camera a little afro, feel what I'm saying? That is the wind diffuser. What else we got in the box here? Gave me this, like a paper bag or something. I don't know what that's for. Let me see here. They gave me the charging cable, basically. This is gonna need to charge, you feel me? So I'm just gonna go ahead and take that off. Get it prepared for charging. It's the cable. And last but not least, opening this whole thing up right here, they gave me the battery. Battery was at the bottom, Sony battery. Now with Sony cameras, I'm not gonna cap, I would recommend buying 2 to 3. If you ever invest in getting a Sony camera, you feel me, you plan on getting a Sony camera, I would make sure you buy 2 to 3 more batteries at least, because of the battery life. It's such a good quality camera and packs a lot. It's not as good quality as far as like battery life. Now this package I got, it did come with a couple more batteries because I ordered them. I just slid that battery in there, man, through the bottom. You feel what I'm saying? You open it, open the lid. You feel what I'm saying? Opens up. Slid it in there. It's a little blue latch that keeps the battery in there. You feel me? You just pop it in there, and then you latch it up with the blue latch. See that blue latch? Just latch it. It'll just click, and then you lock it. Boom. And then that's it. You know, it's real small, real compact. You know, it's good for vlogging. Like I said, good for like sitting down doing reaction videos, you know, challenges. I feel like it's good for everything, for real, for real. Like I said, it has the diffuser for like wind, all the noise outside and stuff like that if it's a real windy day. On and off button is right under the diffuser. I could take this diffuser off and slide it off. If I can. All right, there we go. Boom. Just slide it off though, you feel me? I can clip the hot shoe back on. Hot shoe latch back on. Boom. And then on and off button is right there. The video recording button, how you take pictures, of course, stuff like that. You got all your functions and stuff right here. And then this part right here, this is for external mics. You know, if you want to plug up, like if you got a hot shoe mic, basically, you just plug it up there, and then you got your hot shoe port right there. You good. This is for charging port right here. And then this part right here is your HDMI. You can even plug up HDMI if you want to hook your camera up to a TV, laptop, even your PlayStation, your Xbox, whatever you may choose. So then that's it, man. You cut on and off. Boom, pops out like that. It's a beautiful camera. It gives a 4K projection at 30 FPS, 30 frames per second. And then you have your camera quality here. And I will be switching to this camera so I can show y'all what the quality looks like. And just like that, I done switched over to my camera now, man. It does have the screen. I did fold the screen out. And then it also says, it shows you like the battery life time and stuff like that at the top. I'm just reading from the screen right here. It has like all these different functions. It's telling me it's recording right now. This is a great camera, bro. I'm not gonna cap. It has a red little flash for recording on the camera as well. And also these cameras do require a memory card, you feel what I'm saying? So make sure you got a memory card. It don't have to be no top tier, you feel me, but 32, 64, 128 gigs, feel what I'm saying? Make sure you have a good one. But yeah, man, without further ado, that is my unboxing video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, drop hella likes on this video, you feel what I'm saying? Also make sure you subscribe to the channel if you're new to it, man. I will be posting my reaction videos. I'm going like 10 minutes, 15 minutes in. We're going crazy with it. This is the camera I've been waiting on, man. It looks great. The quality looks great. Of course not because I'm turned this way, but when I'm facing the light and I got my ring lights and stuff showing and popping, you feel me? We're going to set it up. I appreciate you guys. Love you. Peace.